Inside look at some high-tech training the Rochester Police Department is using to keep officers performing at their peak.
KIMT News 3's Anthony Monzon joining us live after trying out some of our PD's new training tools today. Anthony?
Well, Katie and George, I may still have some hat hair after taking off some of the cool wearable tech the Rochester Police Department so graciously let me try on today. And let me tell you, inside this building, there is some impressive, immersive technology that's helping Rochester police officers stay at the top of their game when responding to calls for service. Now, take a look at this. Here you can see me trying out and getting strapped into the Apex Officer Augmented Reality Simulator. Officers are fitted with a VR headset, headphones, motion backpack, and belt with a prop gun and taser. They're then dropped into a simulated environment, which could be anything from a traffic stop to a standoff with an armed suspect. The scenario is guided by an instructor who dictates what's happening based on how an officer is responding to the situation. After the exercise, officers review their performance and receive feedback with extremely precise stats. Sergeant Paul Gronholtz tells me in this environment, officers can learn valuable lessons without real-world repercussions.
In order to introduce some of the dynamic things that they'll encounter as officers, this is a much more obviously controlled environment where they can feel free to make mistakes, and they'll fail forward. They'll learn what not to do.
And officers tell me, in addition to the high-quality training this system provides, it's also useful in cutting down on costs associated with in-person training. Live in Rochester, Anthony Monzon, KIMT News 3.
Thanks, Anthony.
They want every officer to use this training. RPD is saying in the future they'd like this high-tech training equipment to be sort of a regional asset that officers across southeast Minnesota could use for training.